Summer fun. Ilos a minute. No, we're ready. Hiya! Hiya! Hi everyone, my name is Alia, and I'm from Brazil. And today we're in the beach. And you must be asking, why are we in the beach? Well, we're in the beach for one reason. Waves. The beach has lots of waves. But I want to ask you a question. How many waves are there in a day? Let's see. To figure it out, let's count the waves in a minute. Then multiply that by the number of minutes in an hour. That will tell us how many waves there are in an hour. So we're going to count how many waves are there in a minute. I counted 6 waves in 1 minute. Okay, so we're going to do 6 times 60 because 6 is 1 minute, 6 waves, and 60 is the number of minutes in an hour. 6 times 60, in which is 360. Okay, 360 waves in an hour. Now we have to multiply that by the number of hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. 360 waves in an hour. 360 waves in an hour times the 24 hours in a day is 8,640. So now we know there's 8,640 waves in a day. How about that? I started out the video backwards because I thought it was funny. At the making of this video, I have 41 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button.